Stop relying on low-quality security cameras that leave your home in the dark. I just installed the new Blink Wired Floodlight Camera, and it is a total game changer for your property. First, the 26-0 lumens are incredibly bright. One viewer said it turns their entire backyard into daylight the second motion is detected. You are going to love how the HD Live View lets you see every detail clearly, even at night. Another user mentioned the enhanced motion detection is so precise it ignores random shadows, but alerts them instantly to real visitors. Plus, the built-in siren is loud enough to scare off anyone who shouldn't be there. It even works perfectly with Alexa for hands-free control. This is the ultimate peace of mind you have been waiting for. Don't wait for a break-in to take action. Grab yours right now at the link in the description before the price goes up.